Allantown, jolly rally-o, we were up long before the day of the welcoming.
14 Henrietta Street was originally a Georgian townhouse, and then through the many changing phases of Irish history eventually became a tenement. The way it's set up here, you've got some rooms that are still in Georgian condition and then some that are in tenement condition, and the tours reflect that, the changing face of the building over time. The programme in general is a programme called Aber, which is the Irish word meaning both to say and to sing, and it basically kind of comprises a bunch of events around the city that involve kind of traditional Irish storytelling and singing. For here in 14 Henrietta Street, we're conducting a song, text, literature, poetry tour of the building here. The social history of Dublin could be found in the songs. You know, if you want to know what happened, read the history book. If you want to know how it felt, sing a song, learn a song, listen to a song.
God bless our Mary Mother.
So that's a central theme of the tour we're working with here. We're trying to not necessarily give people a historical version of this house, but a version that meant up to the people of the time. There was this old singer and song collector called Frank Hart. He had this mantra that said, "Those in power write the history, and those who suffer write the songs." So there's kind of a great smattering of artists. We've got different poets, musicians, some singers and storytellers as well. Between everybody, there's a pretty good cross-section of the oral tradition community in Ireland.
To welcome in the meadow, summer is a coming in and winter is gone away.